Here we wait for your light to shine again, through all the blessings from good Jinn.
Nature's embrace. I'm taking you to the land of Elfin, for you are half and I am whole Jinn. There you can be born again from within. I fly the precipitous verge of cliffs.
A giant's wall of grassy mountain rifts on down to a dreamy, amethystine floor of waves lapping a mysterious shore. Halfway, staggered betwixt earth and heaven, is to know the ecstasy of flying with the added touch of danger given, crossing the roiling cataracts running. Spring's fever is as a long burnished horn trailing the wild music of adventure behind me, like banners of aerial brass, driving me on and through the impossible. As I near waterfalls of splashing rains, floating up to me come soft music strains, silken and caressing, sirens singing as though the sea itself sings a welcome. The sea swallows the sun, the moon to light, twilight lifting up her heavy silk skirt, revealing a paradise of chiffons that sway and glide in a mystical dance. It is thus that the fountain sprites are dancing to the moon on the Arabian sands, that the nixies shake their white limbs on the haunted, deep forested banks of the Rhine. It is thus that the wee fairy women flash their alabaster feet on the hills of Comamara, that the houris are dancing for Omar on nature's palace floor of paradise. There's e'er an aching sense of incomplete oneness with glorious Lady Nature, as human desire for some responsive embodiment of her mysterious beauty. There are those ecstatic moments in which nature seems just on the tremulous verge of sending to us her magic answer, during moments of intense reverie. The woods seem about to reveal at once the inner heart of their outward silence, in some sudden change to revealing shape of unimaginable enchantment, on this infinite of the starry night. As the stardust we in our help derived take its universal form at our side, in some companionable radiance. Nature grants me her marvels in this forest. enchanted from below and sparkled above, and from the moonlit sea arrives a shape shining along the beam's silver pathway. I gaze into her glowing eyes that are as and of a fathomless moonlight sea, while her long sparkling hair falls about me like a net of moonbeams, enrapturing. She lies like the moon herself come to ground, to the passionate lover of nature, the anchorite of all her solitudes in this hour of closest approach to her. The mystery of the moonlit sea is in my arms, no longer a distant wonder, but an embodied elemental spirit, Earth's missing link between angel and human. We press our lips to the forehead of the dawn and crush the summer's flowered abundance to our breasts, drank deep our cups, and hold the infinite ocean in our embrace.